These are the brand new Miele canister bagged vacuum in their compact series, and if you're in the market at all for a vacuum cleaner, you owe it to yourself to consider one of these for your home. The Miele Guard S1 is perfect for people who are looking for a bagged canister, and weight is a priority because these are one of the lightest vacuums Miele makes. Now, what kind of floors is it good for and is it suitable for your application? All depends on the type of floor head this gets. And this machine gets a combination floor tool. It's a tool that can be used on bare floors and flat rugs. So, if you're looking for a bagged canister, it's lightweight, super powerful and quiet, and you have mostly bare floors and maybe a couple of scattered area rugs, like flat rugs, then the Guard S1 is a must for you to consider. Well, we just learned that the Guard S1 comes with one floor head, which is a combination floor tool. But just like any other Miele model, you always get accessory tools to go with it. And these accessory tools are perfect for when you are using the vacuum for any above floor surfaces, whether it's dusting, you get a dusting brush, whether it's upholstery and furniture, because you get one of those tools, and for any crevices. This is pretty self-explanatory. Now, there's a couple of things I want to tell you about. The accessories on the S1 are not stored integrated onto the body, unlike the M1 model. They kind of sit on the outside. So you have a couple of options. You could just store these in a closet as you wish, or you could put them here, down here by the canister where the hose meets the canister, so it's kind of out of the way. Or you have the option to use it to store these accessory tools up here. Let me show you, where you have the hose handle. You decide where this is most suitable for you. But also keep in mind that you could use these accessory tools at the end of the wand or at the end of the handle, depending on how far you need to reach. Now, the Guard S1 is a beautiful vacuum. It's actually available now in two colors, the sunset yellow and the Nordic blue. So design-wise, as far as the way it looks, impeccable. However, there's a lot of design features that make the S1 as good as it is. First and foremost, it's every single component that you get with this machine feels like it's a quality component. Whether it's the hose, which is a crush-proof, kink-free hose, whether it's the hose connection to the canister, which is locked, so it doesn't come off while you vacuum, whether it's the handle that locks into the hose or the metal wand that locks into the handle. Every component locks into each other. So again, very easy to use. You do get a very nice stainless steel telescopic wand. And again, no surprises when components lock into each other. You get two parking spots. Now, why would you need parking spots? Well, one is for storage. As you might have paid attention, I had the vacuum stored in this configuration. This is perfect if you're putting it in a closet, storing the vacuum that way, but also get a parking spot right at the front of the machine. And the way I use this most is if you're vacuuming and you need to pause to move something, you don't want to lean this against the wall, you park it. So that, the very powerful motor, the suction settings, because why do we need suction settings? Why not use maximum on all surfaces? You're meant to use this vacuum for floors and any above floor surfaces. So you need to control all that power and all that suction, and that's why they give you suction settings. So this machine not only looks beautiful, so it's designed beautifully on the outside, not only comes with very good quality components that you can see, feel, and touch, it's also got a very thoughtful design behind it. One of the best things about the S1 is the fact that it's a compact, lightweight machine. As a matter of fact, right now, these are the lightest Miele models you can get, and they are super light. So if the weight is a priority for you, then you're in luck. This is really, really nice. It's just under 11 pounds. And as far as maneuverability is concerned, Miele has been doing the same thing for a very long time, and that's using casters. Kind of like under a suitcase on these machines. These casters in this particular model has 3 rubberized casters, meaning they do not scratch your floors, and they just are super, super easy. They follow you along nicely, and they're very nimble. If you've ever vacuumed and then you either sneeze or you see dust everywhere, then that's a problem that this machine will never have. As a matter of fact, one of the reasons people end up with these Miele vacuums is because of their filtration. Not only that, the S1 gets a brand new bag and filter system. Miele has always been improving on all their designs, and you will notice that the new bags are also improved from the last design. It's a 3.5 liter bag, but these machines are known to be extremely well filtered right out of the box without you having to upgrade anything. And that filtration starts with that quality bag. You do get a filter right behind the motor and an exhaust filter over on top, and then another filter at the very last stage before the air leaves the machine. So the quality cloth bag and the 3-layer filtration in combination with a completely sealed system means that whatever dust you're picking off the floor is not leaving the vacuum. The air that comes out of this machine is as clean as it gets. Now, one of the most annoying features, if a vacuum doesn't have a long cord, you're constantly looking for an electric outlet. Not with the S1. It's a 21-foot cord, which gives you a 33-foot operating radius from the plug down to the floor. That's a very healthy reach. And you get a cord rewind button. Now, the Guard S1 comes with Miele's wonderful warranty, which is a 5-year warranty on all parts and components and 7 years on the motor. Now, guess who the warranty center for all of this stuff is? Yes, us, Vacuum Warehouse. Now, not only we ship these free of charge to all Canadian provinces, not only we are the warranty and the service center, not only we have a 30-day return, 90-day price match guarantee, not only we offer financing, we also send you videos on how to use these if you haven't had a Miele canister before. So there are no surprises once you receive the machine, and there is no oopsies after or later on. If also at all during your ownership of your brand new Miele you had any questions or concerns, we are here and happy to help. So please do reach out, vacuumwarehouse.ca, or toll free at 1-877-220-5656.